everyone, and thank you for coming today. Firstly, I would like to say a big thank you to our pre-selection committee, which has been Uma Dakuna, Roshan Abbas, and filmmaker Onir. Without them, this selection would not have been possible, so a big thank you to you. A huge, huge thank you to our most amazing jury. Like the minister just said, we have Australian filmmaker Philip Noyes, who's made films like Salt, The Bone Collector, Past and Present Danger, The American, The Quiet American, and so on. We have an Australian editor who was nominated for the Oscars, who's edited films like Moulin Rouge, Romeo and Juliet, The Elizabeth, and so forth. And of course, our Indian section of the jury needs no introduction. And I'm so grateful to have Mr. Rajiv Masand, Simi Gerewal, Raju Hirani, and Ms. Suhasini Maniratnam, who's not with us today, that they could spare the time to be a part of this competition segment of the festival.
आपके पास ये लिस्ट रखी हुई है, तो आप जूरी मेंबर तो है नहीं, आप अपनी तरफ से एक एक लोगों को पिक कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं।
एज अ आम आदमी
नहीं, हमारी जूरी इसीलिए है ताकि वो चूज करे वो परफॉर्मेंसेस या वो फिल्म्स जो वो समझे सबसे बेहतरीन थे इस साल में. If I was on the jury, I would have done due diligence, but I can't.
मेलबर्न के हम ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं, तो आपकी जो भी फिल्में होती हैं, मुझे लगता है कि उन्हें इस फेस्टिवल में आराम से एंट्री मिल जाएगी. अगले साल हम शादी की साइड इफेक्ट को देख सकते हैं नॉमिनेशन में.
I don't think it works like that. You know, घन चक्कर इस साल के नॉमिनीज में नहीं है. I think if a film or if a performance is worthy of being nominated, it will be nominated. And let's hope शादी के side effects makes the mark.
हिट तो हो चुकी है फिलहाल, तो एक्साइटमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा और हो गई होगी विद्या को. अच्छा, हमने फिल्म देखी, हम चाह रहे थे कि विद्या ही फिल्म में दिखे, लेकिन हम ज़्यादातर फरहान को देख रहे थे. विद्या
क्योंकि फरहान भागते तेजी से और गलती इनकी है. फिल्म भाग रही है. I think that's what's important, and people have enjoyed the film. ये जान के of course बहुत खुशी हो रही है. इसके अलावा क्या कहूँ, और बहुत सारी फिल्में करनी है. हर तरह की फिल्में करना मैं पसंद करती हूँ. And I've enjoyed शादी के side effects. I'm enjoying the fact that everyone's enjoying the film.
साथी विद्या ये सब चाहते हैं कि आदित्य भी बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं और आप भी बहुत अच्छी एक्ट्रेस हैं. सिद्धार्थ जी ने भी एक्टिंग की हुई है, वो प्रोड्यूसर बन चुके हैं, तो क्या ये पूरी फैमिली हम देख सकते हैं, एक साथ आ सकती है? आपने कुछ अप्रोच किया है आने वाले दिनों में?
वी आर अ फैमिली बन चुकी है तो अब हमारे लिए बनाने के लिए कुछ बचा नहीं है. पर जोक सपाट कब एक अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट मिली कभी हम सबको तो हम ज़रूर साथ में काम करेंगे. फिलहाल कोई प्लान्स नहीं है. And I don't think anyone of us is trying to make it happen either.
In terms of working in a movie, are you also looking forward for a remake of a Bengali film? Because
whichever film takes me to Melbourne and gets me an entry into the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne is what I'm going to choose next.
आपकी फिल्म पीके के बहुत देर से इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी लगता है लोगों को और इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा. बताएंगे इसके पीछे क्या वजह है?
आज तो हमें सिर्फ मेलबर्न की बात करनी चाहिए. वैसे
मिलते नहीं हैं आप, तो प्लीज बता दीजिए.
कोई ऐसा रीजन नहीं है. आमिर जी को ये लगता है कि क्रिसमस पे उनकी फिल्में चलती हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा क्रिसमस पे रिलीज करिए तो हम क्रिसमस पे रिलीज कर रहे हैं. मुझे थोड़ा सा 1 महीना और ज़्यादा चाहिए था. जून बहुत कट टू कट हो रहा था, तो 1 महीना और ज़्यादा, पर उसके बाद वक्त आई थिंक क्रिसमस का ही है जो अच्छा वक्त है. छुट्टियां होती हैं, लोग ज़्यादा जाते हैं, तो हर फिल्म मेकर यही चाहता है कि उसकी फिल्म ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग देखें. सो एक फेस्टिव सीजन देख के हम उसको रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं.
एक्चुअली खबरें आ रही कि संजय दत्त जी का पार्ट अभी तक शूट नहीं हुआ है, तो कितनी सच्चाई है उस पार्ट में?
नहीं, संजय का पार्ट तो उनके जाने के पहले ही शूट हो चुका था. यानी नहीं तो मैं अभी तक शूट कर रहा होता उनके साथ. संजय का पार्ट डेफिनेटली खत्म हो चुका है.
हम सबको लगा कि राजू पीके फिल्म रिलीज करना चाहते हैं.
पहले आपकी फिल्में नॉमिनेट होती थी, अभी नॉमिनेशंस को आपको जज करना है एज अ ज्यूरी, कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है और कितना डिफिकल्ट है, और क्या होंगे क्राइटेरिया चुनने के?
नहीं, मैं बहुत कम जज करता हूँ. The only reason to be on jury is for this festival is one, I love Melbourne, and two, I love me too. So these are the only two reasons for being on the jury this time.
आज फेसबुक पे बच्चन साहब को 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा लाइक्स मिले हैं और उनको बताया जा रहा है कि वो सबसे ज़्यादा चहीते कलाकार बॉलीवुड के अब तक साबित हुए हैं. आप दोनों का एक रिएक्शन चाहते थे इसके ऊपर. राजू जी आपका और विद्या जी आपका.
मैं फेसबुक या किसी भी सोशल मीडिया पर नहीं हूँ, पर ये तो सभी जानते हैं कि मिस्टर बच्चन सबसे चहीते कलाकार हैं, इंडिया में ही नहीं दुनिया भर में. पर congratulations. I guess it's always nice to know how much people love you. जितनी भी बार लोग कह ले कम है.
उसमें एक और ऐड कर दीजिए, 10 लाख एक मेरा. यानी undoubtedly there's no doubt about that. We've all grown up watching his films and he surprises us still every time, every day.
What's your favorite शादी के side effects?
The film.
I mean apart from the film.
The fact that even on a bad hair day, Siddharth has to come back home. Even when I'm having a bad hair day, Siddharth has to come back home to me. Yeah, I think it would be Kahani. And I'm very thrilled to say that our minister here has just watched Kahani and she just told me that she enjoyed the film, which is why it's also top of mind.
Vidya, you have essayed a lot of magnificent roles in your movies and a lot of splendid movies in your career. So now being the international face, do you feel there is some pressure, like extra pressure to just work up?
No, none whatsoever. I think every form of appreciation is very encouraging, but it does not put any kind of pressure. It just makes me hungrier.
Vidya, we have a very, we have a film critic sitting on the stage with you all as well. So I'm going to ask this question to you and to Mr. Hirani. A lot of actors usually end up, saying that we really don't care what the critics write. We really don't, and we don't read the newspaper after whatever, and it can't change mine. A, do you agree, really? And Mr. Hirani, the same question. Do you not flinch at what has been written about you at all or think over it?
He has no reason to flinch.
Of course.
People only appreciate his films and his work. True. But Raju, please answer it first.
See, the fact is that as filmmakers or as an actor or as any artist, I would say, a painter, a musician, all of us actually thrive on appreciation. Everything comes later. You do it for somebody else. Actually, you do it, you're putting your art out there for people to watch, to people to see. So you definitely want appreciation. And when your film releases, the first thing that comes out is a review. So, so I really can't say that you don't get affected by it. You do get affected by it. But you can always look at it in a way that you can say, okay, if I faltered, if people didn't like it, well, I did my best. I'll give it another shot. It's not the end of the world, you'll give another shot. So it's not that we don't get affected by it. People do get affected by it.
Okay, Vidya, your turn. I'm sure.
I love good reviews. No, actually, I think I won't say that critics don't matter, but I think I will say that sometimes it does happen that the critics get very personal. It's not about the film, it's not about the performance, it's actually about you, and then it's not a nice thing. But there are critics who we all respect for their integrity. Rajiv is definitely one of them. And then you want to, if they have something to say about your film that's not nice, you still take it, you read it and you think about it. And that's only fair.
Simmi ji, do you watch films? You must be watching films. Since what changes do you notice in filmmaking and the storytelling, compared to yesteryear, your days?
Oh, I think there's a tremendous change in filmmaking. I think the technology is superb. Our films match with the best Western standards now. And also there are diverse films being made now, which didn't happen before. You see so many actors who, in the olden days, would have probably, the moment they got married, they would have probably faded away or retired. It doesn't happen anymore. There are roles for everybody, there are subjects for everybody, there are films for everyone, and I think technically our films are really excellent. The photography, the editing, the background music, putting it all together, the mounting of the films. I'm very proud of the kind of work that's being done, and I'm really enjoying watching these films, and I'm enjoying watching the new lot of filmmakers.
We would like to see you on the silver screen again. Would you like to make a comeback? And with who? 2-3 directors are around you.
Oh, I would... I'm a very difficult person to cast.
Yeah.
I can't imagine what kind of a role I would be offered. I'd like to ask Raju that. What kind of a role would he offer me? No, I would love to act again. It's been my first love. It brought me to the film industry. If the role is suitable, I have received offers right through the years, but nothing has tempted me so far to give up my television work or to put my energy into it. It needs to be something attractive enough to captivate me.
Vidya, an exuberant actress on par with performances, is sitting, sharing the dice with you. Which is the film you have seen? And which one would you like? From Vidya's, one of the Vidya's film. Have you seen Dirty Pictures?
Of course, I thought she was brilliant in that.
What is that one thing you would like in Vidya from Dirty Picture?
You must see. This is Dirty Picture vis-a-vis Parinita. I mean, how different, how diverse an actress is she, if she can portray both these roles. I mean, I don't think a lot of actors could have done Dirty Picture the way she did. I really don't. It was superb, absolutely. And so was Kahani. But Dirty Picture was even better, because it demanded much more from her. It was a person so different to who she really is. That's why.
The last time I met you, I actually mentioned Mera Naam Joker. I was revisiting Mera Naam Joker, and I loved watching her. She's definitely, of course, a wonderful actress. But what I realized after watching Mera Naam Joker again now is that she's one of the most naturally stylish actresses Indian cinema has ever seen.
Vidya, you have won the popular awards, you have won national awards, you have won Padma Shri also. Is Oscar on the list?
Wow. I've never thought about winning an Oscar, really. I hadn't even thought I'd receive the Padma Shri someday, so I think life has been very, very kind. I'm just happy with all the love and appreciation coming my way. And as long as I'm ensured, I'm assured of good parts in good films, I think फिर Oscar भी दूर नहीं.
Vidya, Dirty Picture आपके जीवन में क्या महत्व रखती है? एक अभिनेत्री को पहले दी गई थी फिल्म, अगर वो अभिनेत्री वो फिल्म कर लेती तो क्या होता?
I don't know. I think a few actresses were approached before I was for the Dirty Picture, and मैं सिर्फ कहूँगी कि दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वाले का नाम.
क्या जीवन वैसा ही रहता अगर Dirty Picture नहीं होती?
जीवन वैसे ही नहीं रहता अगर मैं अब आपके सामने बैठी नहीं होती.
आपको लगता है कि राजनीति में भी थोड़ा आपको अपना झुकाव दिखाना चाहिए, ताकि जो महिला, आपने कई एड्स भी किए हैं सामाजिक उत्थान के लिए, तो आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आप एक बहुत ही बेहतर नेता साबित हो सकती हैं?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. सोशल कॉन्शियसनेस एक तरफ, पर मुझे कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं है पॉलिटिक्स में, और वैसे भी हमारे पॉलिटिशियंस बहुत बेहतरीन एक्टर्स हैं, तो हम उनका यहाँ स्वागत करते हैं, पर मेरी वहाँ जगह बिल्कुल नहीं है.
पर एक आधुनिक भारतीय नारी आपसे अच्छा शायद ही कोई हो सकता है, एक नेता.
पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करके आपको कुछ काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर आप करना चाहते हैं समाज में, देश में, कहीं भी, आपको पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है उसके लिए.
विद्या, एक आम औरत पार्टी शुरू कर सकती हैं?
मैं सिर्फ यही कहूँगी, औरत कभी आम नहीं होती. I rest my case. Thank you.
विद्या जी, वुमेन्स डे आ रहा है, अभी आप औरत की बात कर रही हैं, तो अब आप सिर्फ एक सक्सेसफुल एक्ट्रेस ही नहीं बल्कि एक सक्सेसफुल हाउसवाइफ भी हैं, तो इस वुमेन्स डे पे आप वुमेन्स को क्या विशेष देना चाहेंगी?
मैं पहले तो कहना चाहूँगी कि I enjoy being a woman. I'm very proud of being a woman, and I wish everyone, every woman I know and I don't know in the country, the world over, a very happy Women's Day. और क्या कहूँ? Thank you. Hi, this is Vidya Balan. Keep watching Bollywood Now.